Hello everyone! Welcome to Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me Jules. Today we are drawing a beautiful and adorable apple drawing. This is a cute apple drawing with fork and knife. Do you love to draw healthy fruits? I love to draw beautiful and healthy fruits so much. Eating an apple daily is a good habit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So it is very healthy to eat apple every day. Let's eat and draw this beautiful apple drawing. If you're enjoying the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Magic Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today I'm drawing a beautiful turtle drawing. This is a cute baby tortoise with magical features and blinking eyes. It is so easy to draw this baby turtle. So come and try to draw with me. Let's draw together. You will enjoy the video. Look how blinking and moving eyes this turtle has. I'm making its legs. Papa?
No, no.
Color Home Drawing channel. It's me, Rose. Today we are drawing a beautiful and glittery rainbow heart. It is so easy to draw this glitter heart. So come and try to draw with me. I am making a heart puzzle. Let's draw together. I hope you will enjoy the video. Look, it is so easy to draw this rainbow heart puzzle. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Red color. Subscribe the channel for more amazing drawing videos. Look, this is the shiny and colorful heart.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo.
Look at the blinking eyes of the heart. This is truly a magical heart drawing. Now I'm coloring the heart with yellow color. This is orange color.
Little red wagon.
Look at the spark and shine of this heart. This is blue color. Colorful Drawing channel. Today we are making a beautiful crack drawing. Let's draw it with me. Look at the beautiful eyes of the crack. It is looking so lively. It is so fun and easy to draw this drawing. Let's draw.